Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am really late on this video, but I wanted to make some progress before I made a video. So this is the 1.80 version update. It happened last Friday, and yeah, so we're gonna go over. So as you can see, I have brand new pets, and I do a whopping 1.5D per swing. Anyway, so the first thing you guys all remember this egg. Well, it's gone now. No one uses it. So anyway, they added 2 new islands. No auras or skills, but they did add a class called Cyclops or something. I think it's called Cyclops, but I don't think so. But they added a class. I'm saving up for caster, as you can see. New saber. I don't know if they added 2 new sabers. I think they did. No, only one. This upgraded a crap ton. See, you get 248 from this one. You only got 69 Q from that one. So, everyone was super surprised at how much strength they got. But, yeah. So, saber. Oh wait, no, this is DNA. No, I'm just gonna buy them all. Just cause. But I'm gonna equip infinite. But, yeah, so there's not really much to this update. Yeah, but I'm just gonna show you my pets because it took me a long time to get these pets, and I'm very proud because they're OP, compared to my other pets. So, we have 2 shiny, steampunk wings, which are 580 times strength and coins and 380, crowns. I'm trying to get this. Trying to just get lucky and get a shiny one. But this one's 570. This is a double moon pet. 570 times strength and coins and 345 crowns. And then this one's my worst one right now. But it looks cool. It's times 506 strength and coins and 300 crowns. This will be replaced soon because I almost have a void heart. I just need 5 more shinies. How many shinies of this do I have? I mean, I have a lot of these shiny. I have like 7 or 8, so hopefully I can get a void one before the next update. I've seen a few people like Throbbins. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but he has, I think, 2 shiny crep dragons, and he said that there's 760 shiny coins, and I don't remember. I think it was like 500 times crowns, but I get a crap ton of crowns. Like, I got 1 Q yesterday in less than 20 minutes. Yeah, look how much. Just from this 1.5, 1.4, but basically 5 billion. Oh god, I'm sorry. I am tired because I legit woke up really late because I stayed up really late last night. But anyway, so for boss hits, I do 89 bill. I did a lot more. I did like 150 bill But I took out my shiny fallen angel for another shiny queen. But I don't really know why I lost crowns, because the only thing that doesn't do as much crowns as it is this rainbow steampunk. But anyway, so yeah, I get a crap ton of crowns. We're just gonna grind out this boss. My mouse is super loud. Oh my god, I'm so. Yeah. There's not really much to this update. I mean, the only thing I wish they would add is like skills or auras, because I haven't added an aura in like a month. And I haven't added skills like 2 months. Like ever since the skills came out, they haven't added anything to it. And that's why Ninja Legends has all these players, because Saber Simulator really doesn't change anything about their game. And plus they have trading, but that's also how people get OP without even trying, which makes the game really boring. But I do like the pets in this game. I mean, they're not just boxes. I mean, some of them are, but like, they still look cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna grind this boss anymore. But, yeah. I'm gonna see if I... Well, I can just show you my stats, because there's not really much to do in it. So I have 21,000 minutes, and I still have my highest skill streak as that. Still kick points as that. 194.8 U total strength. Total kills is 3.9 thousand. 458 boss kills. See, I'm not like going into private servers, just hopping servers, killing bosses, because I'm going for strength, because I really want to get caster before it hits 1,000 people. I mean, I bet I can get caster, but see, my goal, or what I'm gonna do, is just keep on saving up my strength till like Thursday, and then I'm probably not gonna be able to get Robux, because I legit just got Robux trying to get prestige. But I wish that people, or like the game would tell you how much strength you need, so you don't go way over. Cause I mean, 16 ST, I bet it's like a lot, but I wish they'd fix the leaderboard so I can at least get an idea. You know? Like, I hate how there's like a limit, because like, it's not really telling us how much. Like, the highest skill streak doesn't have a thing on the leaderboard, but, I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah. And I guess I can show you guys, the SIG. I mean, yeah, because I don't want this video to be too short, so this is the chef, this is the hawk pilot, this is the chess, caterpillar, balloon, heart, steampunk king, steampunk queen, and corrupt dragon. And the void one? The void one of this was just as good for strength as the shiny fallen angel. They both did 440, and I was highly surprised since it's a 4-star. But I'm really close to Void Heart, so I'm excited to see what I feel like it would do a lot more than the Rainbow Steampunk King. Because the rainbow, I mean, I feel like it'll do at least close to 570. Here, let's do calculations because we have a lot of time. So, the stats is times 3 for void, so, let's go to a regular heart. Okay, 172. 2 times 3. Okay, I changed my mind. It's not gonna be that good. I mean, it's gonna be better, but it's not by much. It's 516. And yeah.